The TC, or traction control, light on your Chevy Equinox indicates an issue with the traction control system, which prevents wheel slippage and maintains stability. When illuminated, it means the system is either disabled or malfunctioning. This could be due to several reasons: sensor malfunctions, like faulty wheel speed or ABS sensors, tire-related problems, such as low pressure or uneven wear, or electrical issues, like blown fuses or wiring damage. Driving in slippery conditions can also trigger it. Ignoring the light can reduce your vehicle's stability, especially in adverse weather. Key takeaway: the TC light signals a problem that needs attention to ensure safe driving. Start with simple troubleshooting steps for the TC light on your Chevy Equinox. First, turn off the ignition completely, then restart the vehicle and press the TC button to reset the system. Next, check your tire pressure using a gauge. The recommended PSI for most Equinox models is 33/35. Inflate any low tires to the proper pressure. If the light stays on, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. Common codes include C0035 for wheel speed sensor issues and C0561 for system disabled. For persistent issues, consult a certified mechanic. Repairs may involve replacing sensors for $100 to $300, reprogramming the module for $200 to $500, or fixing ABS pump problems, which can cost $800 or more. While basic checks can often be done at home, professional diagnosis is recommended to ensure safety and accurate repairs.